Today we're talking about how to use TC Communications IEEE 1613 Solution Guide. This tool will allow users to quickly identify which of our IEEE 1613 compatible products they might need. Step 1. Choose your transport. Step 2. Choose your interface. The product you're looking for will be at that intersection. It's that simple. If you have an IEEE 1613 solution guide, you can scan the QR code with your mobile phone camera or visit tccomm.com to view a digital copy. Once there, you can click on any product for more information. Thanks for watching.